pivot, quarter turn, cross shuffle. Hinge, half turn, cross shuffle. Rock, replace, behind, side, back. Side, behind, quarter shuffle. Full turn and shuffle back. Quarter step touch, shuffle, jazz, box step. Start the dance again. Forward, back, coaster step. Pivot, quarter turn, cross shuffle. Step, half turn, cross shuffle. Rock, replace, behind, side, cross. Side, behind, quarter shuffle. Pivot, full turn and shuffle back. Quarter step touch and shuffle, jazz, box step. Start again. Coaster step, quarter turn, cross shuffle. Step, turn, cross shuffle. Rock, replace, behind, side, cross. Step, quarter turn and shuffle. Full turn and shuffle back. Quarter step touch, shuffle, jazz, box. Short wall, forward, back, with coaster step. Pivot, quarter turn, cross shuffle. Step, half turn, cross shuffle. Rock, replace, and start again. Forward, back, coaster step. Pivot, quarter turn, cross shuffle. Step, half turn, cross shuffle.